बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। This is all about ideas. Signing in. And I am going to share with you a beautiful and very stunning old jeans recycling craft ideas. These are very pretty and very unique recycling craft ideas for you guys. If you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for more updates and for more notifications. You guys also watch different tutorials on YouTube about different craft work like tablecraft, cream ideas, red ideas, and so on. You can guys make these old jeans recycling craft ideas at home very easily. And if you want different other craft work, then you leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel about craft ideas. Thank you so much guys for supporting my channel. and for watching my videos. These are the best craft work for you guys. You guys must try these craft work at your home and watch tutorials on YouTube about how to make these type of craft work. So guys, always take care, always be happy, think positive, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz guys.